Looking to add a warm, cozy glow to your outdoor space that feels like real candlelight, but without fire or wiring? The WdtPro Solar Lanterns are designed to create that relaxing atmosphere instantly. Right away, the biggest highlight is the realistic flickering flame effect. These lanterns use LED lighting that mimics a dancing candle flame, creating a soft, warm ambience that's perfect for patios, gardens, or evening outdoor setups. The solar-powered design makes them incredibly easy to use. Just place or hang them in sunlight, and they automatically charge during the day and turn on at night. No wiring, no electricity cost, no effort. Battery performance is solid for decorative lighting. After about 6 to 8 hours of charging, they can last 8 to 15 hours overnight, depending on sunlight conditions, enough to keep your space glowing all evening. Durability is another strong point. With an IP65 waterproof rating and sturdy ABS build, they're designed to handle rain, heat, and outdoor weather without constant maintenance. Installation is effortless and flexible. You can hang them on trees, hooks, fences, or place them on tables and pathways, making them perfect for decorating yards, porches, or even outdoor parties. They're also a great gift option, especially for garden lovers, thanks to their decorative design and warm lighting style that instantly upgrades outdoor spaces. Now, the honest part. These are ambient lights, not bright floodlights. The goal is atmosphere, not strong illumination, and performance depends on how much sunlight they get during the day. Overall, this is a simple, beautiful outdoor lighting upgrade that adds charm, warmth, and a relaxing vibe to any space with zero hassle. Click the link below for the best price.